In today's video, I am going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. It's easy, you only need to change some settings. Let's open the YouTube. Then go to Settings on YouTube app like this. Here you can see Shorts on homepage. Go to General. Go to Playback Feed and turn it off. Then go to YouTube homepage again. Here go to the Shorts tab and give Not Interested to every short you see. Do this like to 3 Shorts sections. Then all you have to do is go to the recent apps and remove YouTube app. Then open the YouTube app, you can't see any YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching and subscribe.